Assalamu alaikum. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the Alice experiment at LHC. As you know that we already discussed the LHC Large Hadron Collider in our previous video, and I also discussed with you that we have total four main detectors along in four main. So today's main detector we have to discuss is the Alice, which is the Alice experiment, so called at the LHC. First of all, we have to know what it stands for. Alice. Basically, Alice stands for a Large Ion Collider experiment. Okay, at LHC, which is a detector which are basically a dedicated heavy ion collider at LHC, and this is basically optimized for quark gluon plasma and the properties of strongly interaction matter. Understood? So this is a large ion collider experiment, and this is only dedicated for the heavy ion collisions at LHC. Heavy ions means you can collide heavy ions, and this is actually optimized for quark gluon plasma, for the studying of quark gluon plasma, and we also see the properties of strongly interacting matters. Here you can see the construction for the LS experiment, which is located at LHC, Large Hadron Collider, and the main purpose of this LS is for only for heavy ion collisions. Sometimes also we can use it for the proton-proton collisions as well, PP collisions. Also, the LS experiment is also used for investigate the formation and behavior of hot dense matter in the early universe. And you know that the formation of the Big Bang, how our universe create into being. So to investigate the formation and the behavior of hot dense matter in the universe, we are using this LS detector at LHC. Also, this LS detector is very crucial for understanding the multiplicity of the charge particle protections, which are in the that high energy collisions. So this is all about the Alice experiment at LHC. So in further slides, we will discuss further more about the particle physics. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.